Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country Leamington, and I'm back with your market update for July. So as the stamp duty price threshold reduces to 250,000, we are still seeing the demand for houses remaining above pre-pandemic levels. The nationwide June house price index reported a 13.4% annual growth in house prices in June 2021. This is actually the highest level since November 2004, with the West Midlands even seeing slightly higher, with a 15.4% increase in the average price year on year. The market continues to show significant momentum, with a monthly price increase of 0.7%, with the prices in June being almost 5% higher than in March. We are still finding that buyer demand is outstripping the availability. This is supported by the average time to sell. So this is from when we market the property to sold subject to contract. And this is halved from 42 days in May 2019 to just 22 days. The demand is currently strongest for properties priced up to 250,000, but we are very much still seeing this in all price brackets. Rightmove have reported that in the first 6 months of the year, there has been 140,000 more sales agreed on average than in the same period in previous years. However, there were 85,000 less properties that came to the market, meaning a massive shortage of 225,000 homes. So this, along with the stamp duty holiday, has caused this price increase that we have seen. Despite the stamp duty holiday threshold reducing, Rightmove have reported that only 4% of purchasers have said that they would abandon their plans to buy if they miss this stamp duty, which I would say is very encouraging moving forward. Thank you very much for watching, and if you were contemplating a move but were worried that the stamp duty holiday reduction was going to affect your sale, I think it's very fair to say that the market is remaining very buoyant.